Welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video, we're going to be making a ginger slice. Now, this slice is what we call a no-bake slice, so you're not going to need your oven. You will need either a microwave or obviously perhaps a stovetop to melt the chocolate that's going to go on top of the slice. So quite easy, just literally putting the ingredients together, popping it into what is called a lamington pan. So those dimensions of that pan will be in the instructions below. Spread it out. You need a bit of time for it to set in the fridge. And then, yes, finishing off with a nice chocolate top. So quite a delicious slice, easy to make. No fail, I suppose you can say. So if you enjoy this video, please press the like button. Also subscribe if you found this interesting, helpful and inspiring enough to bake. And also please check out my other step-by-step baking recipes on my YouTube channel. Okay, if you're ready, let's bake.